Hello folks, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues again. I made a video of this guy, my first reciprocating saw, and I showed him doing a couple of cuts on some pretty small wood and staples. I don't think that was fair to it because this thing can do so much more, and I'd done so much more just before that video. I just didn't videotape it. So the Dewalt Reciprocating saw, model DWE305. This is who we're using. This is who I've been breaking down pallets and crates. As I mentioned in the first video, I have an opportunity to get a lot of pallets, but not a lot with really good wood. And I stumbled across a construction site near me that had pallets and crates with some really good wood. I won't go into that. You can look at those videos. You can kind of see 2x4s are actually that are wider than not. These are the guys that I was after, along with some 1x4s and a few 6x2s. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate him again. I had the wrong size saw the last time, or the blade the last time. I've got a much better blade this time. So I'm going to show you a few quick cuts and give this guy the proper credit he deserves. There's too much wood there, way too much wood. We can do a little better, avoid that wood. That was on me there. Keep your balance, guys. Not a good thing to lose it. Came loose. Pretty heavy duty nails there, guys. Going back to the smaller stuff, this is your basic pallet wood, but still pretty good wood. Look at that. Clean, crisp, pristine. Bad marring, crack there, but I can still get some use out of it. Let's see what he does here. These are much smaller nails than what I just cut. Okay guys, that was my proper demonstration of the Dewalt Reciprocating saw, model number DWE305. Got a whole lot more to break down. I'm hoping to be able to show you the finished projects and products. Some of this I will just cut, because I just don't have the time to get some of these staples and screws and nails out. But I'll still have a lot of wood left over. Before I leave, guys, let me show you some of this. This guy unfortunately broke. But look how clean and beautiful that wood is. Basic pallet wood, that's pretty good. So my first construction site, I got a pretty good deal. Good, pristine wood. And yes, I got permission to take all this wood. So, bottom line, guys, look around. You can find some free stuff, but always ask for permission. One more thing, I am not compensated by Dewalt or anyone else, any other tool maker. I just like to show the tools I use and how they work. I hope this is helpful. Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues. Keep on working.